7:30 a.m. Nice for you to show up today. You gonna handle fish today?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, out in the water. A little bit of clouds in the sky today, so that will help us get a little bit down the water, but not too much, which is perfect. Fishing real muddy water again. And I'm gonna start throwing some spinner baits today, Alabama rig, crankbaits, jigs, you know, tube. See what they want today, so get back to you guys shortly. Alright, Zach, got one on.
Oh, damn.
That's a good one?
I don't know.
Oh my god, that's a good one. Throw that baby in. Yeah, baby! Give it some slack. Yeah, he's all yours. What do you say about that, huh?
Oh yeah, look at that. What do you think that is? How many pounds?
That's over 2 pounds. Lower lip. You got it, yeah. Grab him good. Put your thumb in there, all the way.
What?
Put your thumb in there. Yeah. There you go, grab him. Hold them tight. On the trailer hook, see? Always trailer hook, folks. There you go, that's gonna pop right out. There you go. You're making a good cast today, you know?
Yeah.
That's over 2 pounds.
Yeah.
$2.16. 2.16.
2.16.
Of course, a good fish.
Yeah,
Hold him up.
Picture, right?
Yeah, man. I'll take a picture. Hold on. Alright, go ahead. And then release, say thank you, sir.
There we go. Thank you, sir. Right
say
there.
It. Say it again.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Strike King spinnerbait. Hey guys. Finally, huh? Release.
It's quick to go.